Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is How Natty Cooks. I make quick, easy and healthy Nigerian recipes. If you would like to see more of these, please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today we're going to be making a very special recipe inspired by Sister Flo Chinyere of all Nigerian recipes. If you do not know her, please check out her YouTube channel, Flo Chinyere. If you'd like to see how this beautiful pie, this unique recipe was made, please sit back, grab your drink, grab your popcorn, chill, and let's get started. I'm weighing the plantain to see its weight in kilograms and in ounces, with and without the peel. Chop the plantain into smaller sizes and blend till smooth using a food processor or a blender. This is what it looks like after being blended. Add some salt, some baking powder, mix properly. Add 2 tablespoons of palm oil. And mix it properly. Add the flour in batches, and please observe the consistency of the dough while you're adding the flour. At this point, I started kneading with my hands. It's ready. Let's cover with a thin film and set aside. Next, we're going to be preparing the fillings, and please note, Sister Flo used some brown beans, but I'll be using some black-eyed beans. So here I'm chopping up the habanero pepper, chopping it into small sizes, and then to the fish I added the chopped onions, chopped pepper, half cube of seasoning, some salt, water to cook, and I covered up. Debone and mash up the fish, then set it aside for later use. Mash properly. To a pan, heat up some palm oil, add the chopped onions, stir until the onions is translucent, stir. Add the mashed fish, habanero pepper, stir properly. Throw in the cooked beans. We're using black-eyed beans. Stir properly. Add some salt. Please do well to taste before adding more salt. Our dough has rested for a while, so let's start rolling. So I cut up the dough into 4 sizes. I divided it into 4. And started rolling. I went ahead to use a soup bowl to make that perfect circle. Feel free to use any tool in your kitchen. What is most important is the perfect shape. You can also use a meat pie cutter if you have one, or anything that makes it easier for you to get the perfect circle. Oh, good. Have you liked this video yet? Have you liked it yet? Please click on the like button. Click on the like button so that YouTube recommends my videos. I glazed with some eggs and baked for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Look at that. Oh, look at that goodness. Take a look at this. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Wow. Can you see that? Can you see this goodness? This tasted so good. This tasted so good. Just imagine eating beans and baked plantain, or baked beans and plantain. Oh, you can just imagine the combo. Let me know if you'll be giving this a try in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed up till this point, please do well to click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share with your family and friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.